This is Ashley playing Freebird.
Woo!
Bet she's gonna suck.
Shut up.
She will. Don't worry.
Yo, I'm sucking. That's him, right?
No. Not at all. Sorry. You just missed the longest note in the world. There I am. With my pretty bracelet. Do you like it?
No,
like
it's ugly.
Like your face?
Your face. Shut up.
Why don't you shut up? You get pissy when you're playing guitar, yeah. This is what I get to do for the next 10 minutes.
Okay.
Watch Ashley miss note after note
Shut up.
after note, and then misuse star power at every chance she gets.
Wait, where am I?
See, she's stupid. It's stupid.
Can you get me a Dorito?
Seriously? Do you want me to feed you to the Dorito?
Yes.
Alright, open wide. Pure laziness, dude. See, there she goes. This is her little dance.
Oh, I suck.
Pretty much.
I ever have.
Yep. Fatty, fatty.
Well.
Ew. Wow, you really suck.
Shut up. How long is this?
10 minutes.
I know.
Am I Jask?
I'm bored, so.
Look, I'm in. She's gonna be back.
Have you seen The Illusionist?
I wanted to. Was it good?
Yeah.
Hey, Ashley, can you feed me a Dorito?
Sure. I'll just throw it up.
Bulimic. I'm gonna call you Mary Kate.
Why?
Mary Kate Olsen.
Why?
She had an eating disorder, didn't she?
And that's my problem?
Well, no, because you're bulimic. Because you said, I'm gonna throw it up.
You're
Gay.
gay.
Thank you.
That's a fitting word.
Thanks.
Remember Pat?
I'm gay. What?
Pat's your boyfriend.
Pat's a faggot. See that? Completely retarded. Retarded.
What?
Do I have to record this whole thing?
Yes.
Seriously?
Nope.
I'm just gonna take out my whole memory card.
Yep. So we can watch it.
Yeah, watch you suck out loud.
Shut up.
You're only on easy, too.
What?
Alright, how about this? When you're done this, I'll play Freebird, and we'll record that, and we'll see who did better.
On what? The video or the...
The game, duh. It's like a little contest, who's better at Freebird. Me.
Oh, I'll make sure of that.
Let me shoot it.
Have you ever seen Rock of Love?
What's that?
A show?
I've never heard of that show in my entire life.
Have you heard of Bret Michaels?
No.
I bet I look really fat in this video.
You probably do.
I should go brush my teeth.
You should go throw up. I'm just kidding. You're gorgeously skinny and gorgeous.
Decent.
I'm not even paying attention to where this camera is right now. Oh, I should have. So, stuffing my face full of Doritos.
You should play tennis with me tomorrow.
I don't play tennis.
Why?
I'm horrible.
And?
Wait, where are we going to play tennis?
Shut up.
You missed all that star power.
Shut up.
Wow, you suck. Actually, you're not doing too bad. I automatically win.